Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore all things beauty with an expert's eye. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect eyebrow pencil that combines precision with long-lasting wear? Today, we're talking about the KIKO Milano Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil, designed to give you perfectly sculpted brows with ease. Let's dive into the details and see if this pencil lives up to its promise. This eyebrow pencil is a game changer when it comes to precision. The fine tip is designed for maximum control, allowing you to fill in and define your brows with hair-like strokes. The color I'm testing is 06 Black Haired, which gives a natural, deep finish that works well for darker hair tones. It's marketed as long-lasting, which is a huge plus if you're tired of constantly touching up throughout the day. The formula claims to offer a natural finish, and we're going to see if it lives up to that. When it comes to application, the pencil is incredibly easy to use. The fine tip makes it ideal for creating precise lines, especially around the brow's arch or tail. It's smooth to apply, and I found that it doesn't tug at the skin, which can sometimes happen with other pencils. The texture is firm yet soft enough to create a natural effect without being too waxy or overly pigmented, which is ideal for a more subtle everyday look. During testing, I wore it throughout my daily routine, including a few long meetings and an outdoor walk. What stood out was how well it held up under stress. No smudging, no fading. For me, this is a huge deal because I need products that stay put without needing constant maintenance. The brow pencil has some staying power, and I didn't notice any significant wear even by the end of the day. It was still there, looking fresh and defined. Now, let's talk pros and cons. One of the biggest pros of this pencil is its precision. If you're a fan of fine-tuning your brows, this will quickly become your go-to tool. The formula itself also holds up to its long-lasting claim, which is great for those busy days when you don't have time for touch-ups. However, the pencil is on the smaller side, so you might find yourself going through it a bit faster than a larger brow pencil. But that's a minor drawback considering the level of control you get. In terms of value for money, I think it's a solid investment. KIKO Milano isn't typically a high-end brand, but this pencil delivers on its promises. For the price point, it offers great quality and performance. It's not the cheapest pencil on the market, but when you factor in the longevity and ease of use, it's definitely worth considering. As for alternatives, there are other eyebrow pencils out there, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, which offers similar precision, but it's more expensive. If you're on a budget, this KIKO pencil provides comparable results without the hefty price tag. Of course, if you're looking for something that's gonna last even longer, you might want to explore products with a gel formula, but for a pencil, KIKO Milano does a great job. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple and functional. The pencil is lightweight and easy to carry around, making it a practical choice for on-the-go use. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and it still feels solid. No breakage or malfunctioning components, which is always a good sign. If you've had any experience with KIKO Milano's customer service, feel free to share in the comments. I didn't personally reach out to them for support, but the brand is generally known for being responsive and helpful when it comes to customer inquiries. So, does the KIKO Milano Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil live up to the hype? Absolutely. If you're someone who wants precision, longevity, and a natural finish without the fuss, this pencil could be your new best friend. It's a reliable tool in your beauty arsenal, and I'd recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their brow game, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. If you've used this pencil before, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Is it your go-to for perfect brows, or do you prefer something else? Also, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.